Good everybody, boss trader here. As it's written or as you saw in the thumbnail, I'm going to be teaching you guys what to do when you open your TradingView. You woke up on Monday and you're like, okay, I want to look for a trade to take. You enter TradingView and you're surprised what to do. So this video is going to make it easier and clearer for you to decide or how to take trades properly so that you avoid loss. Okay. Now this video is going to be divided into 3 stages. First of all, I'm going to show you the textbook method. Then I'm going to apply that textbook method in the real chart. Okay. So after I teach you the textbook method, I'm going to use that to check past records of the chart. I'm going to also check the present record of the chart also. Hope that's clear. Please do subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks. So let's go to the textbook method. So when trading, when you take a trade, the first thing you need to know or the first thing you need to look for is the bias. That is the trend movement, be it an uptrend, a downtrend, or a sideways market. Or when market is trying to change its direction from bullish to bearish or from bearish to bullish. Now we all know the current market structure, right? So to do that, you usually get your bias from the daily or the 1 week time frame. That's why I get my bias. So let's say market is like this. This is a bullish market from the weekly or the daily time frame. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Sorry. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Our market is coming down, right? Now, what are you expected to do? This is where you're going to look for your buy setup, right? But you're not just going to take buy from anywhere. So now we'll go to the second part, which is identifying your structure. Since we know it's a bullish bias or price is giving high highs and higher lows, you should be looking for buy setups. So if this is the daily or the weekly time frame, then you usually move to the 4-hour time frame, right? And 4-hour time frame may be seeing things like this. If this is the daily or the weekly time frame, the 4-hour time frame, as market is coming down, this part as it's coming down, we may be following this lower highs, lower lows, right? Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? Lower highs, lower lows. Good. The all of a sudden, market takes this out. The last 2-hour high. This is a sign the market is trying to push back up. Now to start the buy setup back. Right? You get me? That the sell is over because market has even taken the sell side liquidity and is now trying to buy. Before you buy, you must want to see liquidity. Market will come down inside the side. Doesn't need to take this high again, even if it's reached somewhere here. At least it's above 50% of this pushback. Then once market comes back, wait for your POI, then you buy. To take out this overall height, market must take this overall high. That's how it is. Very easy. Now all these are happening in the lower time frame, maybe the 4-hour, the day, or the 2-hour, or the 1 hour. I don't go less than that. You can see this in the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, 4 hours, but not less than the 1 hour. The other minutes are for confirmation. This setup here, this bearish stuff here, is what is this? This one move down in the daily or the weekly time frame. If you go to the 4-hour, the 2-hour, the 1 hour, this is what it is. The immediate price push up to take this lower high, gives a liquidity, moves up again. If we tag this period, there will be another block or breaker block, any pin. Now once market reach here, you're not supposed to buy immediately. Not buy immediately because market can just take it out. Maybe that's when you want to buy is when market wants to change structure to bearish overall. So we usually use confirmation, and the confirmation is that market will do this when this is coming down. You can use the 15 minutes, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low. Then you see market just aggressively push up, right? Then you mark your order block here. You get me? You take your buy position. Then your stop loss should be below the overall order block. This overall order block here. Stop loss should be below it. That's what you got to buy. So that's it. Same thing with the sell side, also the sell or the bearish market. Same thing with it. Now let's go to chart to observe some markets. Okay. We use some. What should I use now? Okay. Let's use Gemini 40, for example. This is a present market. I'm even waiting for this trade to tag. Like I said, on the textbook parts, first of all, we go to the daily or the weekly. Weekly market, you can see Gemini 14 indices is in a bullish market, or is buying rather. Then you go to the lower time frame from the 4 hour, and if you observe, before it's pushed up, we were giving lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low. They immediately pushed up to take out this lower high. Is a sign that Gemini 40 wants to start buying again, right? Then it immediately came back here. This is a liquidity. Took it out. Then pushed up again. So what are you going to be targeting is this overall high. Right? Then your stop loss, it should be below this invalidation area. Good. That's ITs. This is exactly what was shown in that textbook method. But before that, before you even think of buying, market should give you confirmation. The confirmation can be gotten from the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes. And that confirmation, as said earlier, market should give you market structure shift. That's it. Or you go to also look for a swing structure in the lower time frame. You get me? The overall stop loss should still be below this overall low, because this is the invalidation area. You get me? Let's say market comes down like this, forming lower highs and lower lows. Tap into the POI. You're not to buy immediately. Wait for confirmation, and the confirmation could be like this. Push back up, take out this CSI liquidity, push back up again. Then let's say the order block is inside like this. You shouldn't do or take the trade like this. Take your tool. And put your stop loss. No, that's wrong. The stop loss should still be below the overall low that you got it from the higher time frame. Take it to take out this overall high. That's a quick 6-hour trade. Very easy. So this is just part 1. I'm going to be dropping videos like this maybe twice or 3 times a week. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to trade. This is just one part of the trading, because there are other methods of using this. There's a type 2, there's a type 3. So let's just see this is the type 1 method. Okay. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe. We'll be dropping it, and put your notifications on. So go be expecting videos like this. Go be showing live and previous charts. I don't want this video to be too long. Maybe in my next video, I'm going to be showing previous charts with the confirmation. So if you want to see that, subscribe.